Hello, hello. Welcome to Beauty Kitty Studios. I am reviewing these PaintLab nails that I got from Walmart. PaintLab does have their own site. They also sell their nails on sites like Amazon. But on Walmart, they happen to be like a fraction of the price. And I've been kind of curious about this brand because the reviews are so, half and half, and they look really cute to me. So I really wanted to check it out and flip on the camera and let you guys see. Everything that you need to do a set at home, your own DIY set, is provided in these sets, kits, boxes, what have you. So you get the nails, I believe it's 24 nails, you get the double-sided file, you get the cuticle stick, and you get an alcohol pad and a liquid nail glue. There are no sticky tabs, but that is fine with me because I don't care for those. So I am just going to do a really quick nail prep just to kind of show you guys, if you want them to look better and stay on longer, definitely give it like a little bit more effort than I am. I'm just kind of flying through. Also, don't judge. My nails need a lot of therapy. It is what it is. So I just gently push back the cuticles, and then I am filing down the sides, kind of cleaning up the sides a bit, and then gently kind of roughing up around the cuticles so the adhesive has a little texture to hold on to. And then finally, just a little sweep of the rubbing alcohol. This is really helpful for removing any natural oils, debris, lotions, anything like that. All right, first of all, I can already tell you guys that I love these just after finding my sizes. They actually fit, and it is so hard for me to find this medium almond style nail that actually fits my nails. They're always so narrow at the base, and I have like humongous canvas size nails, so it's really hard to find. They're also all shaped a little different. Like my natural nails are shaped differently. So the thumb and index finger, for example, are not the same shape at the base. So it's just really hard for me to get these to look good. And already, they fit so much better than I was expecting. So already I love them just for that. And of course, they're French tips, and I love me a good French tip that goes down lower. I like the smile line to go down lower. Just to me, it makes it look more like a salon. Back in the day, yes, I can say that, it was just the norm to go in and get a set of French tips at the salon. And they always did that line down lower because it was a white tip that they would glue on before applying the acrylic over it. And it just kind of looks a little bit more like that. Now you get so many variations of French tips, and some of them are up so high that it just kind of looks like a press-on. That's my TED Talk about French tips. But anyway, I like them down lower like that. I can already tell that this glue is very different than the glues that are provided in other sets. I'm having to hold these nails down a lot longer. It's not adhering as quickly as a lot of other glues do. So I'm having to actually pause the video between each nail and just hold it down off camera. If I don't, it just kind of starts to slide around. So definitely have to hold it down a bit longer. That might make it a little bit more difficult for some people, but this glue has absolutely no white residue whatsoever. It is very clear. It's a little thin, kind of more of like a watery, but it gives it just sort of this cleaner look. Some of the other glues are so thick, so they dry so quickly that you get this residue within seconds. This isn't doing that. But I would say, if possible, avoid washing your hands for a couple hours after you apply these, so that way the adhesive really can dry. I love them. They turn out so clean and crisp, and they're really comfortable length. I for sure recommend them. The link for these is in the information section of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and for all of your support. And if you like what you see, please click that subscribe button and follow me for more fun videos.